Hi, welcome to my channel. This is where you learn mathematics, and today we're going to learn about continuous random variables, expected value, variance, and standard deviation. This is the important course, and it's a very interesting course in the probability theory. Let's start this course. For a continuous random variable x with probability density function f of x, which is varied over interval a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b. Then we can find expected value, we can find variance, even we can find standard deviation. To find expected value, we apply the formula. Expected value is equal to integral from a to b x fx dx. To find variance, we use the formula. Variance of x is equal to expected value of x squared minus expected value of x squared, where expected value of x squared is equal to integral from a to b x squared fx dx, and the standard deviation is square root of variance. We have an example. The continuous random variable x has probability density function fx, where fx equals to x over 8, where 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, and 0 elsewhere. Then find a is expected value, and b is to find expected value of x squared, c is to find the variance of x, d is to find the standard deviation of x, and e is to find the variance of 3x plus 2. Let's see how do we find the solution of this example. We have f of x equals to x over 8, where 0 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, and 0 elsewhere. So question A is to find expected value of x, and to find it, we apply the formula integral from a to b x fx dx. This a and b represent the interval. Thus, a is 0 and b is 4. This x is in the formula, and fx is this part of this probability density function. So when we plug in the formula, get expected value, which is equal to integral from 0 to 4 x times 1 over 8x dx, which is equal to 1 over 8 integral from 0 to 4 x squared dx, and this is equal to 1 over 8 times x power 3 over 3 calculated from 0 to 4. This 0 and 4 are the boundaries or the limits of integration. Next is to replace x by 4, which is the upper boundary, and x by 0, which is the lower boundary. Then we subtract the solutions. When we do that, we obtain 1 over 24 times 64 minus 0, and finally 8 over 3. Next is subquestion B, expected value of x squared. This is equal to integral from 0 to 4 x squared times 1 over 8 x dx. Here, when we have expected value of x squared, we need to use x squared. This means if we need to find expected value of x power n, we shall integrate from a to b x power n, the function, then dx. Now for this case, the expected value of x squared is equal to integral from 0 to 4 x squared times 1 over 8 x dx. This gives 1 over 8 times integral from 0 to 4 x power 3 dx. What is the integral of x power 3 dx? This is going to be x power 4 over 4. We add 1 on the power, we divide by the power plus 1. So this is equal to 1 over 8 times x power 4 over 4 calculated from 0 to 4. This 0 and 4 are the limits of integration, so we plug in 4 inside this x power 4 over 4 and 0 in this x power 4 over 4, and we subtract the solutions. When we do that, we obtain 1 over 32 times 256 minus 0, and this is equal to 8. Thus, expected value of x squared is equal to 8. Next is subquestion C, which is about variance of x. From subquestion A and B, we have seen that expected value of x is equal to 8 over 3 and expected value of x squared is equal to 8. So subquestion C, which is variance of x, is given by expected value of x squared minus expected value of x squared. This will be equal to 8 minus 8 over 3 squared. This 8 is expected value of x squared, then minus 8 over 3 over 2. This 8 over 3 is expected value of x, then over 2. The final solution here is equal to 8 over 9, thus variance of x is equal to 8 over 9. Next is the standard deviation, and standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. So this will be equal to square root of 8 over 9, and this is equal to 2 square root of 2 over 3. And E is about variance of 3x plus 2. And to find this variance of 3x plus 2, we need to use the property of variance where r of ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers. This is given by a square times the variance of x. Hence, variance of 3x plus 2 equals to 3 squared times var of x, and this is equal to 9 times 8 over 9, since the var of x is equal to 8 over 9. And when we simplify 9 and 9, the answer is 8. Hence, var of 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. So thank you very much for attending this course. This is the end of this video. If you like the video, you can click on right. You can share to your friends so that they improve the skills of learning mathematics. So thank you very much. Thank you.